housing construction in Korea has been on a continued upward swing for the past 5 years. In fact, the recent boom has been robust despite the lack of new implementation plans for public housing sites, which went hand in hand with previous growth periods. Public housing sites refer to sites developed by public project operators such as Korea Site and Housing Corporation, or LH, and includes the supply and lease of apartments to both the private and public sectors. Meanwhile, private housing sites refer to those developed by private contractors. Accordingly, KDI examined the impact of the supply of public housing sites and the expansion of housing supply and forecast the future outlook for housing construction. In the past, the government's response to inflationary pressure was to pursue a large-scale designation of public housing sites in order to stabilize housing prices. Although these were suspended following the global financial crisis due to a slowing economy. After 2014, however, LH was able to sell large volumes of housing sites, far exceeding figures recorded during active periods, thanks to a rebounding housing economy. At present, the share of apartments built on public housing sites stands at 39% of the new supply as of 2014, accounting for an approximate 55% in the capital region. Indeed, the government supply of public housing sites plays a vital role in the market and is expected to have significant implications for the housing construction boom. Meanwhile, from 2013, the sale of housing sites by LH moved ahead of housing starts by 1 year after previously moving in tight formation. An analysis was conducted to estimate the growth rate of housing starts, taking into account that LH is the primary supplier of housing sites to private construction companies, and to offer insight into the future trajectory of housing construction. The results reveal that the volume of housing sites sold in the second half of this year will not exceed that of the first. Additionally, the growth rate in housing construction is expected to plunge to between 1.3% to 2.9%.
최근 주택 건설이 5년간 지속적으로 증가할 수 있었던 것은 주택 경기 호전에 의한 수요적 영향 이외에 공공택지의 실질적인 공급이 뒷받침되었기 때문인 것으로 나타났습니다. 향후 공공택지의 조성을 통한 주택 공급 확대 정책은 장단점을 고려하여 신중하게 설계될 필요가 있습니다. 공공택지가 조성되어 있는 경우 주택 수요가 증가할 때 신규 주택 건설이 빠르게 증가함에 따라 주택 가격 상승 압력을 다소 완화시킬 수 있습니다. 그러나 정부의 공급 계획이 주택 경기에 영향을 받기 때문에 주택 건설의 변동성을 확대시킬 수 있다는 점도 고려해야 합니다.